civilizations collapse because people can't remember that they do.
Yeah, that's well put.
The span of human collective memory is so limited that it's almost impossible to learn from history.
But that's the whole point also of the book, The Fourth Turning, right? I mean, why do we end up in war? Basically because the people that have been in wars are not there anymore.
Exactly. That's exactly the same thing. It's exactly the same thing. But the historical parallels are so glaringly obvious. There's definitely late civilization vibes here when you compare it to the Greek Empire, the Roman Empire. You can go on. History rhymes always. Andreessen in the podcast actually had a very nice expression about this from late stage Roman Empire. That all the important people, the elites of the Roman Empire, they were out in the countryside perfecting their fish ponds instead of being still involved in the Senate, being involved in the community, solving problems, making things better. So a lot of people right now are also perfecting their fish ponds.
Feels like that, yeah.
Yeah, in a highly debt-financed Western European society that seems to be completely oblivious about the fact that our core industries, like industrial, my former area of work, and tech, are completely being diminished. Not to mention agriculture. And people seem completely oblivious to the fact that if you don't have that underpinning foundation of core industries, you're living basically on the fumes of what once was.
Yeah.
If we don't reverse this path in one way or the other, then you will have tourism. And you will have then the Netherlands will be tourism.
Where the wealthy retire in like a nice Mediterranean villa.
Yeah, Europe has tourism. You can see it happening in Italy, fast-paced now.
Yeah.
They're like mayors of beautiful little villages are paying people actually to come live there, people from abroad. And you have to be there for 10 years and you have to invest like 30K or something at a minimum, I don't know, but you can buy an entire village. Ghost villages.
Yeah, I've seen those stories.
Fertility rates dropping. Industry nowhere to be found anymore. So the thing is just that people never see that stuff coming. I don't want to be all doom and gloom. I think that there are ways to turn it around, and I'm enthusiastic about the years to come. I think there will be some sort of a turnaround. It just amazes me that people are completely oblivious about the diminishing power of the EU when it comes to business.